In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to create this effect using Gimp, which is a free alternative to Adobe Photoshop. First step is to open one image into Gimp. Second step is to grab the second image, drag it on top of the first one. On the second layer, right click, choose Add Layer Mask, and set black. Just click Add. The black portion will be invisible. To reveal the part that I'm sitting on the chair, we will need to paint it in white. So you select the brush tool, choose white as a foreground. You can increase the brush size to your desire. Notice in the second image I'm on the chair, so just click and paint in that portion with white. Make sure no double or ghosting effect created. The next step is to drag in the third image. Repeat back the same process. Same brush tool, paint in this portion. And you're good to go. Just save this image as a JPEG or what format. Hope you find this tutorial useful, and I'll catch you on the next one.